Good afternoon, my name is Kelvin. I'm from Rexx Screen Digital, and today I'm going to be showing you our revolutionary new system, direct-to-film printing. So your direct-to-film journey starts with the Epson L1800 printer. It's an A3 printer, and basically in a nutshell how it works is that you send your artwork from the software to your printer. Once your artwork comes out, while the ink is still wet, you will then apply an adhesive powdered glue onto your artwork. That glue sticks to the artwork. You then shake off the excess ink and goes into a curing oven. Approximately in the curing oven, it's there for about 60 to 90 seconds. And the final result will be a glossy kind of lemon skin type feel. And at this point, it's ready to be transferred over onto your garment or fabric or whatever your material is. And how you do that is that you just simply cut out your design and press it onto, which I can show you how to do right now. Cool, so then all you do is you choose your design that you're wanting to transfer. Cut it out. Take your garment, put it into the heat press, place where you want your artwork to be. Then you put a Teflon sheet down, and then what we're going to do is we're going to press down the press at 160 degrees for 12 seconds. Pops up, you remove your Teflon sheet, you remove your garment and allow it to cool down. So you want your transfer to cool completely before you peel it away. So we'll just give that a few seconds to cool down. Almost there. And then what you do is you just simply peel away, and you're left with a great, durable, long-lasting transfer. And in a nutshell, that's how the direct-to-film system works. We've got it in the option available in the A3 size, and then we also have a roll-to-roll size as well. So on this wall over here, there's a few examples of our direct-to-film products. These two rows over here are examples of what we've done. So these are half-toned Dtfs. So basically what's happened over here is that the black in the image was removed completely, so that when the transfer goes onto the garment, the color of the garment replaces the black in the image. And what that ends up doing is that it's a much more breathable transfer, and you're also using a lot less ink and glue as well. The two rows over here on the side next to that, this is a hybrid of direct-to-film and Ceph products. And then on the far left over here, this is our direct-to-garment examples. Yep.
Okay, so, we have heat transfer films, which is essentially made up of a material like that, which is then vinyl cut. And what you're doing is using a vinyl cutter to actually cut out your design. From there, you can actually weed out your design, so it's removing the bits that you don't need, and that gets transferred onto your garment, or in this case, onto a sample, the design that you want at the end of the day. So we have multiple different effects, print and cut options, standard cut options, and what you can do as well is build up your designs with multiple colors and multiple effects. So just using this equipment together with the film as well, you can create quite a lot of different ideas and different designs that you're looking for. We have multiple options and effects, going from reflective material, which is certified for EMTs, which means it's a high reflectivity. We've got flocks, which is a fluffy finish to it, and that also comes in different colors and different suedes as well. And then obviously we've got different things like metal flex and reflective materials as well, which is pretty cool. The one very cool one which I can show you, which is on the opposite end of the booth, is a puff. So we got that in black, white, yellow and red, and that literally puffs up as well, giving you a better effect at the end of the day. All of this can be done on t-shirts or on bags, and going from kids ranges all the way up to adults, and branding and promotion as well. Just to give you an idea what a finished product looks like, We've got little mini t-shirts to show you after you've cut it out, giving you your design. So this can be always built up with multiple colors or single colors as you see fit. And obviously you have a print and cut option as well that you can go with full color options as well at the end of the day. So the process is pretty simple. You'll cut out your material, you'll weed it, and then from there you will go to a heat press and then actually transfer it onto your garment. That's the basic process of a heat transfer film. Okay, so the basic process of putting this onto the heat press, you just apply it to where you want on the garment, put a protective coat Teflon sheet over that, and then we're pressing it for 15 seconds at this time. And the nice thing about this material, it is so hot peel, so you can peel it off straight away. Another benefit of this material, because it's a PU, so a polyurethane, it's a water-based product, so you've got a lot of stretch out of it. And the nice thing, the hand feel is super, super soft as well.
Good day, my name is Kenny Mokore, and I'm a technician based in Johannesburg, so I work for Rexx. So I'll go through with you guys on a direct-to-film machine, which is an A3 machine, and we're having 30 centimeter by the roll. So actually on this machine, what you need to do, you need to prepare your artwork on the Photoshop or Corel Draw, then you're gonna transport it to your ream, to your print ream. So basically, and all that, so you can come closer. So on this system, we have like 4 inks, which is CMYK and white. So you can come this side as well. So this is where you fill your inks. And this is, we have the feed roll as well, where it's an 30 centimeter, and also we do supply the 60 centimeter. So as you can see here, this is where you feed your paper, so that you can come this side then. So basically the machine, what it's gonna do is gonna start to print the CMYK, which is your full color, then it's gonna print white on top after it. So as you can see here, we have a conveyor where it goes to the powder machine, where so the powder actually what it does is gonna drop where it's gonna stick where actually where is there's a wet ink and all that. Then it goes to a conveyor where we have a heating element where our ink and our powder, they're gonna melt, and they need to get the results of something like this. They need to get like a sort of like a lemon skin feel and all that. So as the processes goes and all that, then it's gonna come to a roll where it's gonna your product, your production is gonna roll on it. So basically that's the same thing. So what you're gonna do after that, you're gonna just cut your final product and all that. Then what you're gonna do, then you're gonna just come and take this to the heat press. So what you're gonna do as well, you're gonna apply it with you're gonna put your Teflon sheet, then you're gonna heat press it, then you're gonna get these results as well. So you can come this side as well. Okay. So basically after you have the final product and all that, you can fuse on any material, then you're gonna get something like this. And the nice thing about this product, you can stretch it, it doesn't even crack at all. And also what you can do, you can also put it on a bag as well. You can also fuse that on a capping press. So yeah, that's it basically with our system, and thank you so much.